SuperMindz! Hey there, Super Explorers! Welcome to SuperMindz. We've got everything from cool learning stuff to fun games and quizzes. Let's go! Insects quiz. What insects make honey? Bees. What insect can fly and produce light? Firefly. What do caterpillars turn into? Butterflies. What insects build nests called hives? Bees. Which insect is known for its jumping ability? Fleas. What do ants use to communicate with each other? Dance. Which insect has colorful wings and is known for its migration? Butterfly. What is the main food of caterpillars? Leaves. Which insect is known for its ability to carry heavy loads? Ants. What do butterflies use to taste food? Proboscis. What is the name of the sticky substance bees collect from the flowers? Nectar. Which insect is known for its ability to produce silk? Silkworm. What do ladybugs feed on? Aphids. Which insect is known for its ability to dig tunnels in the ground? Ants. What do mosquitoes feed on? Blood. Which insect is known for its ability to produce a buzzing sound? Bee. What do bees collect to make honey? Nectar. Which insect is known for its ability to roll itself into a ball? Ladybug. What is the primary diet of spiders? Insects. Which insect is known for its ability to spin webs? Spider. If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.